everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the noise right now because I just turned on the heater and my face looks weird because I had flu for almost 2 weeks. My glands are swollen right now. They're supposed to go down in another week. And I know I have a giveaway going on. I will announce the winner this Friday, so stay tuned on that video. And Happy New Year everyone. I hope you had a great New Year. So in today's video, I'll be doing my first impression review on the Bad Habit eyeshadow palette. It's called Supernova. This is their dupe for the Natasha Denona Lila eyeshadow palette, which retails for I think $130. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you love to watch reviews on affordable makeup products, then please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click the subscribe button down there and the bell next to it so that it will notify you every time I upload videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know my thoughts about the palette, then please keep on watching. I previously mentioned on my other video, I bought the bundle for $24. You can also buy the palettes for $16 each. So here are the eyeshadows. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. So I have primed my eyes, and let's go jump right ahead with the tutorial. So I'm going to zoom you in. I hope, yeah, I think that's enough, right? So I'm going to use the brush from Beach Cosmetics brush from their Pro Studio line. So I'm going to use the light brown in here, mostly like browns and dark browns, the matte shades in here. So for the eyeshadows again, and then I'm going to use the shades. I'm going to use the shade Zenith. So far the eyeshadows are blending out very good. And then I'm going to use the shade Celestial. With the same brush. The Carity Cosmetics E30 brush. Okay, so I'm going to carve out my lid, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did the cat eye type of eye look today, and I don't know why this one is darker than this side, so I'm going to fix this after. And then I'm going to use the shade Red Giant. Finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back. I added this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit liquid eyeshadow in the shade Goldilocks just in the middle part of my lid, and it's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you swatches of the eyeshadows right now. My final verdict, I love this palette. This is amazing, the same as their Solstice eyeshadow palette. I bought the bundle for $24. The metallic shades in here didn't have any fallout at all. I was shocked. I was really surprised. They were very creamy and buttery. They were so pigmented. The matte shades were a little dry, but they were very easy to blend, and I was able to make them work. So this palette is amazing. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.